What's up, loves? How y'all doing? Welcome. I'm Tonyanicole, and what's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. What's happening, y'all? Welcome. How y'all doing? How y'all been? Girl, I am doing spectacular. Today, we're going to be unboxing the box by Fashionsta. This is August box. It arrived a little early, so yeah, we're going to get this out for you guys. If you want to see what the box have to offer for August, stay right there, boo. Don't you move. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. What's up, loves? As I said in the intro, I'm Tonyanicole. Welcome. Today, my loves, we're doing the box by Fashionsta for the month of August. But before we get started, y'all know I got to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. Y'all, I'm trying to pump these little videos out real quick so that, yeah, we can have some content for the rest of the month. So we're not gonna be long, and we're gonna get to the unboxing like after the specs soon. So this is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $24.99 each month. You get 5 to 7 beauty skincare products in this box with a value of up to $150. I do have a link down below, guys, if you all want to get this box. I did not unbox last month's. I don't know why. I really don't. But I'll put a picture on Instagram or something, or maybe do like a quick unboxing on my Instagram page, so make sure you are following me there. We're gonna open it up. That's what we're looking like. I'm gonna set her on down, baby, and we're gonna be quick because yeah, I'm pumping out some videos today. So the theme for the month is Express Yourself. This is the card right here. On the back, we get a list of products, descriptions, and prices, and y'all know I'm gonna let y'all know what it is. So let's just dive right on in. We do have some of these little, I don't know what you call them, but okay. All right, guys, so first up we have from Bella Pierre, and this is the Twist Up Brow Pencil and dark brown right here. And Bella Pierre, y'all know, is very pricey. Very pricey. All right, that's what it looks like right there. You get a spoolie on this end, and on this side we get the pencil right there. Girl, I got swatches on my hand from my ColourPop mystery box unboxing. I don't know when it's gonna go up, but make sure y'all check it out. Thank you. So this is the brown right here, and I'm definitely going to use that on the brows because I love a nice deep brown. And this right here, loves, is $20. Wow. For eyeliner, well, brow liner, 20 bucks. Okay. Girl, I don't even have a drink today, so y'all make sure y'all take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. All right, so we have next from Marabella. It is the Iconic, what is this? Oh, a wing liner and stamp kit. Okay, now I do not have a good track record with these. Yeah, no, I do not. So this is what it looks like. The liner is on this side and the stamp is over here. I'm not gonna open this because I know I'm not gonna use it, but I can definitely put this in the giveaway we're going to be having pretty soon with all the products that I'm putting into my box for the month. So this right here, my loves, is $20, and it's supposed to create the perfect symmetrical cat eye every single time with this liner and stamp duo. So 20 bucks. Okay, if y'all into that, boo, y'all could do it. I just can't. Next up is from Bella Pierre again, and this is the HD setting spray right here. You get 50, or is that 30? It's 30 milliliters of product. This is a high definition makeup setting spray. And let's see what it says on here. Goes on without leaving your skin feeling sticky or greasy. Lock your makeup in place for hours. Summer sweat proof and less transferable for flawless looks. This is $19, and this is small, y'all, for 19 bucks. Let's spray it. Okay. Oh! Oh my God, girl, you see how Jesus Christ. Okay, so that was very powerful. Okay, I'm gonna go dry my face and I'll be back, y'all. But this spray is $19, and it is a beast. Ooh, girl, that was like too much. All right, so we have from M Grass Green Skincare this hand and body butter in sweet clementine or clementine. This is inspired by Spain. It has notes of tangerine, mandarin, peach, bergamot, jasmine, mango. I'm gonna open it because I think I'm gonna like this. You do get 8 ounces of product. How you open it?
Oh, let's see. How we go.
So after plenty of muscle, that's what it looks like. Oh my God, it smells divine and it feels so nice on my skin, oh girl. Oh my goodness, I'm definitely keeping this by my table so that I can have some moisture. Oh, this is so good, guys. If you can pick this up, it smells good enough to eat. This right here retails for $24. Ultra hydrating and nourishing hand and body butter designed to absorb quickly while leaving the skin quenched, restored, and protected. And it smells amazing. $24. Oh, and my skin feels really good. Oh, then we have this little baby here. This is a facial sunblock by Elm Vegan Beauty. This right here, I thought it was a little deodorant, y'all. And this right here, this is the Farmer's Touch Hudson Valley Sunblock Balm. This retails for $12. It's completely organic and it's made in the US, cruelty-free. So it's like a sunblock. Okay, let me open this up. You roll it up like that. It doesn't have a smell, but that's what it looks like. It's just like a little stick, sunblock stick. I think this is a cool concept. I could dig it. $12 for this. All right, I just had to dance a little bit. Okay, y'all, so next we have a little bitty, it's not a palette, is it? Oh, this is Marabella Sculpt Mineral Highlight and Contour Powder. Ooh, okay, the packaging is gorgeous. It's in the shade Love Struck Destiny. All right, let's see if it's a contour for the deep girls. Oh, nah. That's the packaging. It's very pretty, guys. And, okay, we do get a mirror. Hey, girl. All right, so let's put this box here. It does come with like this little covering. That's the shade right there. Now, I don't know who's that gonna contour, but it sure ain't contouring Tonyanicole. And I do wish that brands would put more deeper toned, friendly products in their boxes. This kind of upsets me. I mean, you could use it as a highlight. This one, this could probably use like a shimmery highlight, but I'll probably just use them for eyeshadows. But it's definitely not a contour palette for the Chocolate Sisters, but I could use it for a highlight. Okay, y'all got to get y'all act together, babe. Oh, I didn't tell you guys this retails for $32. And last up, we have this Express Yourself eyeshadow palette. And this is from the Beauty Crop. I absolutely love anything that's shimmery and packaged up. I love it. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, this is a gorgeous palette. Oh, I love it. It's like a coffee shop type. Oh, so it's an eyeshadow palette with coffee extract. Ooh, we got a mirror again, girl. Hey, boo. Every time y'all pass a mirror, I'm telling you, say that. It feels so good. It makes you feel so good. It comes with this little plastic here. I'm gonna put, let me fold it back. It's beautiful, guys. That's the palette right there. Look at all those gorgeous colors. Ooh, this is definitely giving fall vibes. I'm so excited that fall is coming. It's gorgeous. I love it. I'm not gonna swatch it. I don't know if I'll use it, but it is a beautiful palette. Some shades are called Mocha, Double Chocolate, Vanilla Latte, Cafe Frappe. I love this. Let me see the price on this one. This one is $21, loves. So it says 21 matte and shimmer shades formulated with coffee extract to reduce puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. A palette? Really? I don't smell no coffee, but okay. That's a good claim for a palette. All right, boo. $21. So that was our final product in the box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received this beautiful eyeshadow palette here from Marabella, this contour and highlighting palette. From Marabella again, this eyeliner and stamp. From Bella Pierre, this high definition setting spray. Bella Pierre again, the brow pencil, and this facial block. So these 6 products are right here, loves. And the total for this month's box was $148. And let's do some final thoughts. Oh, I forgot, girl, we got this lotion too. So yes, I love it. Okay, so final thoughts on this box. I thought it was a decent box. I do love the eyeshadow palette. I do love that they gave us a winged liner stamp kit, a brow pencil, the definition setting spray. This is supposed to be a contour and highlight palette, but it's more of like a highlight palette on deeper skin tones. The lotion is by far my favorite product. So I thought it was pretty decent for August. It is definitely getting me ready for the fall. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn woods. To 5, being this box is thebomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. I would give the box for August a solid 3 on a scale. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it was okay for the month of August. I will try to have July's box either on my Instagram or I don't know where I'll post it at. I'll let you guys know. But that's all I have, my loves. Let me know down in the comments if you do get this box. Let me know your thoughts on the box. Do you think it's getting better? Do you think it's kind of falling off? If so, let me know down below, baby. That kind of rhymed, huh? I could be a rapper. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to our channel, be a part of our family, give this video a big thumbs up. I will talk to you guys in the comments and on my next video. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Those are down below. All right, loves, take care, be safe out there, guys, and wear your mask, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.